Most people are not connections. They're liability with opinions. Every person you let close brings baggage. Trauma, they refuse to fix. Insecurities, they project. Expectation, they never earn the right to have. People say they want honesty. What they mean is comfort. Tell the truth and suddenly you're too much, changed, or disrespectful. That's pattern. You're loved when you're useful. You're a problem when you're honest. Drama doesn't fall from the sky. It's manufactured by bored people, by insecure people, by people who need chaos so they don't have to face themselves. And somehow, you're expected to manage it. Explain yourself, lower your standard, apologize for things you didn't do. No. The smartest move is not winning arguments. It's avoiding the room entirely. A small circle isn't lonely. It's efficient. No fake loyalty, no forced conversation, no emotional babysitting for adults who never grow up. You don't owe everyone access to your life. You don't owe everyone a response. You don't owe anyone your peace. Most people don't add value. They add weight. They add problem. Cut the weight and suddenly life moves faster. Your focus sharpens. Your silence becomes powerful. Your absence becomes loud. Let people call you cold, detached, difficult. Those are just words people use when they can't control you anymore. You don't need to be liked by many. You need to be respected by yourself. The less people you deal with, the less problem you inherit. That's not an antisocial. That's survival.